I mean, have a word with yourself, fellas. Who am I to call you ugly? I mean, look at me. There you go. I mean, if we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than I know what your trouble is. You've been breeding yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Nothing. I'm getting nothing.
Just want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright anti-social. Hang on. I got a human in my throat. Now don't let it get you down. I know how you feel. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I just tell myself I'm a handsome prince, trapped in a brass body. And one day someone's going to come along and kiss me and set free my inner beauty. And then I think, nah, who wants to French a bra? You know what our trouble is?
No?
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a matter of taste. But you mark my words, fellas. One day ugly will begin. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly man will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall back on there. Ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a big old thing, but just you wait and see. A day will come when we're in style, and I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya. What's that up? Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I'm top random stories flexy, somewhere back in sexy, in my way. Though it may take time to find when you do have a ball, come out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Oh, no.
Do you really believe that?
Of course not. If I didn't, I might as well just jack it all in and donate my legs to gastronomical research. I'm telling you, fellas, you gotta look on the sunny side of the lily pad. The ugliest of creatures have redeeming features, so why not let your better points shine forth?
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
Not down here! So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, fellas! Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all.
Well, now you've broken my language.
Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle. The chest small.
It's true, just think, whenever you stay, one day you'll never stay with a mate. Though it may take time, but when you have a ball, 'cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Tell 'em, kids.
Somewhere out there, we can live by
J, J,